From Annunaki to Hammurabi, How Myth Became Law. The Mythic Council of the Annunaki. In Sumerian and Babylonian tradition, Anu was the Sky Father, king of the Annunaki, while Enki was the god of wisdom, water, and creation. Together with Enlil, they formed a divine council that determined the destinies of nations. Ancient texts describe how Anu and Enlil assigned dominion to Marduk, son of Enki, to rule humanity. Anu/En, supreme authority, cosmic sovereignty. Enki, cleverness, lawgiving, the ordering of waters and knowledge. Enlil, command and enforcement, the executive force of divine will. This triad mirrors the functions of a court: authority, wisdom, and enforcement. Hammurabi's court as the earthly Annunaki. When Hammurabi, 1792 to 1750 BCE, issued his famous Code of Hammurabi, he explicitly grounded it in divine sanction. The prologue states that Anu, king of the Annunaki, and Enlil called me, Hammurabi, the exalted prince, to bring about the rule of righteousness in the land. Hammurabi as Anu's heir, he claimed ultimate authority, chosen by the gods to rule. His judges as Enki's voice, they interpreted and applied the laws with wisdom, ensuring fairness. His enforcers as Enlil's hand, officials and soldiers carried out judgments, maintaining order. Thus, Hammurabi's court functioned as a humanized version of the Annunaki Council, translating divine will into earthly justice. The Code of Hammurabi versus Mythic Law. Divine decree versus codified law. Where Anu and Enki determined destinies, Hammurabi wrote laws on stone, making justice visible and permanent. Cosmic order versus social order. The Annunaki governed the universe. Hammurabi governed contracts, property, family, and crime. Mythic legitimacy versus political legitimacy. By invoking Anu and Enki, Hammurabi gave his laws divine weight, but the actual system was human, bureaucratic, and enforceable. Why this comparison matters. The Annunaki theory often reimagines these gods as alien lawgivers. But historically, the first true legal system was Hammurabi's code, a human achievement cloaked in divine imagery. By comparing Anu and Enki to Hammurabi's court, we see how myth became metaphor for governance. Anu equals sovereignty, right arrow, Hammurabi's kingship. Enki equals wisdom, right arrow, judicial interpretation. Enlil equals enforcement, right arrow, administrative power. Conclusion. The Annunaki were never extraterrestrial rulers, but symbols of cosmic order. Hammurabi's court translated that mythic authority into the first codified legal system, ensuring that justice was not just divine decree, but law written in stone. In this way, Hammurabi's Babylon was the place where gods became judges and myth became law.